Have you been wondering if AI is going to make it impossible for your kids to find jobs? This concern is understandable. Let us look at it from a practical perspective. AI is changing the job market. Some repetitive or easily automated jobs will shrink. Here is the hopeful part. Integrative, creative, people-centered problem-solving jobs will thrive. People who know are saying that AI can perform tasks more efficiently, but it cannot do entire integrated jobs as well. Think about it. Advances in technology always change the way we live and work, but job markets adapt. 200 years ago, machines replaced basic manual labor. 100 years ago, automation replaced a lot of skilled labor. In the 1990s and early 2000s, the internet enabled digital transformation that replaced basic administrative and knowledge-gathering jobs. Now, generative AI is replacing basic intellectual labor. Fields like accounting, law, healthcare rely on a lot of basic intellectual labor for entry-level jobs. Those fields will be heavily impacted. Even many computer science jobs, including coding and bug fixing, will fall into this category. Just recently, reports show computer science jobs have been significantly reduced over the past year, even with its awesome power. AI will not be replacing jobs with some essential characteristics anytime soon. Things like strategic considerations, accountability, intense personal relationship management, and ethical decision-making rely on human attributes that are not readily replaceable. By AI, jobs that require hands-on skills will be safe at least until robotic sciences advance a lot further. Here is maybe the best way to think about what is happening. AI will not necessarily take the job your child wants, but someone who knows how to use AI really well might, especially if that someone is also adept at things. AI cannot do as well as a person, but can use AI to be more effective and efficient at the job. Now is the time to start doing what you can to prepare your kids to use AI well and to develop those types of qualities and skills that require strong human character. Here are 4 things you can do. Generative. A. I cannot be held accountable for decisions because rewards and consequences do not motivate AI. Help your child to understand why it is important to accept accountability for their successes and failures, so they can rise to the occasion. Teach them to be ethical in their actions and decision-making. Sometimes the most effective and efficient decisions are not the right decisions. That is because ethical considerations like those involving dignity, compassion, or human rights are important. AI does not have ethics. AI can only go so far in exercising interpersonal skills. It requires a skilled person to make a lot of important connections with other people. Think about how much business and other pursuits are advanced through activities we all enjoy, like parties, recreation, and meals. Teach your child the skills they need to make the most of those situations. If they show an interest, encourage them to develop skills needed to build things, install, and maintain mechanical systems, and pursue other interests with essential physical components. AI is no longer the future. It is here. It is not something that should cause you to despair for your kids. It is something that you have the power to help your kids embrace and prepare to use to make them better at whatever jobs or career they eventually choose.